start, okay, when May drop a ball from a height, it bounced 1/4 of the height of the previous bound. This is very important. What it mean 1/4 of the height of the previous bound? Okay, so the ball rebound to the height of 2.5 centimeter on the third rebound. Okay, so I will draw my first bound, right? This is my first bound. First bounce. Here is 1. Okay. So this portion is 1/4. 1/4. This is my first bound. Then my second one. My second one is 1/4 the height of the previous bound. So my first bounce is only until here. So my second bounce is only 1/4 of this. Is 1/4 of previous. This is the previous one. Previous. Okay, 1/4. That means this I cut into 4 again. Okay, this is my second bounce. Then I go to my third bounce. My third bounce is 1/4 of my previous bounce. Here is 1/4, right? Here is 1/4. Then this portion is 1/4. It's 1/4 of my previous bounce. Here's my previous. Okay. Here is. Then I cut into 4 parts. This portion here. Here's what? 1/4 of my previous bounce. Okay. So let's say this is the place I throw the height. The ball. So here's 1/4 of this, and here's 1/4 of this. Okay, if the ball rebounds, this is the third already. Rebounds. Okay, to the height of 2.5 centimeter on the third rebounds. That means here is what? 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so I need to go back and find what is my height that I dropped this ball. Let's say the ball dropped down here. It rebounds to here. Then the next drop is, it rebounds to here. And then next drop is, it rebounds to here. I hope that you can able to visualize it. But then whenever you want to find what is this fraction of this as compared to this, right? We must backtrack. Because 1/4, which is this portion here, where is the parents times the parents? The parents is what? The parents is also, is this portion here, right? Times 1/4, go back and times the parents. And here is also 1/4. So it's 4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4, here is 64. So 1 unit of this, when bring back to the parent side, 1 unit of this when bring back to the parent side is only 1 unit. That means this whole thing, let's say here, cut to 64 portion. Then here is 63 unit. It's only 1 unit. Is this thing here, when bring back to the big picture, is only 1 unit. 1 unit. Understand? Because the total is, if now I cut it to 64 portion, I am only 1 unit here. So this one small unit equals to what? Equals to 2.5 centimeter. So it's asking you how high did May drop the ball from. So how high is actually asking you the length of this, right? So the length of this is how high? It's 64 unit. So 64 unit times 2.5 centimeter will give you 160 centimeter. At a school concert, 1/6 of the audience are teachers. Okay, so So I divide into 6 parts, right? One part here. So this part here is what? Teachers. Correct? And then the remaining 2/5 of the remaining. If I always, what I always do, right, to prevent myself from being confused, here is what? Here is 5/6, right? 5/6. That means 2/5 of 5/6. I will draw here to show clearly that it's the remaining 2/5. You are very lucky because here is 5 box. Here is also total is 5. You can just draw like that. Okay. So 2/5 of it are boys. So this portion is boys, right? Boys. So the rest are girls. So the rest here is girls, okay? Here is girls. But then you know that there are 65 boys fewer than girls. So if I were to draw this model, right, here there are 3 girls, 3 boxes for girls. Remember the ratio? The ratio is boys to girl is 2, then here is 3. So girls is boys. Okay? Although my box don't really look nice, okay, maybe I should make it more easy for you to understand. I should draw it neatly, right? Okay, so it says that boys is fewer. How many fewer? 65. From here you can clearly see that 1 unit equals to 65. Okay, if 1 unit here is equals to 65, so here is 65, 65, 65, 65, 65. Am I right to say that? Okay, so you also know clearly that the portion of, okay, to make it less complicated, this one I can also draw a ratio. Teacher is 1, then boys plus girls is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, this is ratio. So if teachers I draw 1, boys plus girl equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I already know boys plus girl equals to how many, because I know here is 65. And 1 box of this is equals to 1 box of this. So here is 1 box is also equals to 65. So how many more people are there? How many more? How many more people are there compared to the teachers? Which is you have to mind, which is this portion, right? How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 65 times 4 will be 260. Okay, hope that you understand this.